Hi guys, my name is Jyoti Sharma Baba.
I'm Rohan, and we are here to talk about Spotlight, which is a multiple Oscar nominated movie. It's finally here in India. We both saw it. Jyoti's going to tell you a little bit more about it.
So, Spotlight is about an investigative team of journalists in the Boston Globe. The team was called Spotlight, and their investigation in the persistent abuse by Roman Catholic priests of children. They started the investigation. They actually came out with shocking revelations, and it led to a torpedo effect all across the world.
Uh, it is, and the film also talks about how the Catholic Church covered up the abuse, and it goes all the way to the top. The biggest takeaway from this movie, Jyoti feels, that I also feel, is the cast. The cast is absolutely amazing. Let's talk about the cast.
Yeah, I mean, look at the names. There is Michael Keaton, there is Liv Schreiber, there is Stanley Tucci, there is Mark Ruffalo, Verity Glam, Rachel McAdams. The thing about them is they are not heroes. They are just characters. You know, your everyday journalists who just show up for work, do it conscientiously, and get the results.
And they completely inhabit their real life counterparts.
Totally. It's like when they wear those starched shirts and pleated trousers. I can actually feel a lot of people that we see here or anywhere in the world, just your regular journalists, no heroism involved, they're just doing their job.
And what brings them together is the director.
Yeah, he is actually the real hero of the film. I mean,
Tom McCarthy.
Such a tight script. He also wrote the script, co-wrote the script, and I mean, how can a story which is actually we know all the details about it. The story actually went on to become to win Pulitzer, and he makes it into a mystery, into a thriller, into a detective story by the end of it.
And in the same year that he made one of the worst movies of the year, The Cobbler.
Yeah.
He bounced back and made a great film.
What a comeback.
What a comeback. And another thing the movie is about is hardcore journalism, which is kind of going out of fashion nowadays.
Yeah.
It's the last era of great journalism.
Yeah.
Is it one of the greatest journalism movies ever, do you think?
One of the best, I would say so. I love All the President's Men, and I would put it in the same class.
Same class?
Yeah.
What about the Clooney movie, the black and white, Goodbye, Good Luck?
Yeah, even that. It's again one of my favorite films. There were reasons why we are in this profession, and these films actually, these guys go out, they do all the legwork, they trawl through files, it takes months for something like this.
It takes months for the entire film.
For the
Does it
entire
make you
film.
want to become an investigative reporter and not this?
I don't like clickbaiting, but it's part of our profession now. Probably a changing in scenario and everything. But this film actually makes you proud to be a journalist.
Also, we like to talk about Masanobu Takeyanagi.
Yeah, I can never pronounce that name. This is his specialty.
He's often called Masa. He's the person who shot this movie, and special mention must go out to him.
Yeah.
He also shot Black Mass, and
there is no tamasha at all.
And it talks about a very, very serious subject.
Yeah, it is about sex abuse, pedophilia. The victims of the film actually give it so much, heart. You can actually see these damaged individuals who were shortchanged by the church, who were shortchanged by the priests that they held in reverence.
And there are a couple of really good movies if you want to check out more about this topic. There's one called Deliver Us from Evil. Really gets into it. There's one called Mia Maxima Culpa, so maybe if you want to check that out later. But the biggest question everyone wants to know, Oscars.
That's a difficult one. The film has not really won a lot of a lot of awards till now. Oscars, as we all know, The Revenant is sweeping them. I mean, I personally love the fact that Leonardo DiCaprio actually might win it after so many, nominations. But this is one film I would really want to see awarded, but it seems like a difficult year.
And why do you think that is? It's a good movie.
It's a good movie, but it's a good movie when there are greater works out there.
And greater PR machines.
Greater PR machines. That's his opinion. I love Leonardo DiCaprio.
But it's not going to win any Oscars, probably.
Yeah.
Ruffalo is not going to win. Rachel McAdams, which is a surprise nomination, she's not going to win.
But
Tom McCarthy is not going to win.
Yeah, no.
It's not going to win.
It's Inarritu. It's
Inarritu.
The thing is, editing is great in this film. It's very tight. It's beautifully paced. But
Lots of
again,
characters, it's ensemble cast, brings them all
Yeah,
together, gives
yeah.
them all moments to shine.
it seems like, it's a teamwork. It's like any other good project which comes to fruition.
Okay, so let's take a couple of questions if you guys have some questions. Everyone's asking about Oscars.
We just answered that.
Not-
Looks tough.
It looks tough. So that's about it.
Any other questions? Again, it's Spotlight because people keep on asking.
It's Spotlight. Spotlight is the movie we're talking about.
Yeah.
It's about the investigation of the Boston Globe by the Boston Globe into a huge racket, the sex abuse of children.
There's
by
this
priests.
particular scene at the end of the film. There's a scroll of countries where such crimes were unearthed, and if you look at the newspapers today, actually there was one such case in India, and you want that scroll to stop, but it goes on. Nairobi, Argentina, this, that, everywhere. It's scary.
It's a great film. You should check it out. It's not going to win anything, but don't let that stop you.
Watch it, people. It's like
Go
one
out
of
and
the
watch
good
it
films
in the
you will watch
theaters.
this year.
It's still nominated, if that
Yeah.
matters.
It's Oscars.
Yeah, and stay tuned. In our we'll have more reviews and discussions.
Especially if you are watching out for Neerja, we will have Rohit Vats and Shweta Kaushal talking about
Neerja
it.
is coming up.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right. Thanks for your time.